Integrating Process.st with Slack is a powerful way to streamline your workflow, and today I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Whether you're just starting with Process.st or you're looking to make the most of Slack's communication features, this integration can save you time and improve collaboration. Stick with me, because at the end I'll show you how to get an exclusive free trial to these tools, which you won't want to miss. First, if you're unfamiliar with Process.st, it's a fantastic process management tool that allows you to create, track, and optimize workflows with ease. On the other hand, Slack is a communication tool that's widely used for real-time collaboration and messaging. Integrating these two platforms allows you to automate processes and notify your team directly within Slack when certain actions in Process.st are triggered. To integrate Process.st with Slack, start by heading to the Integrations section within Process.st. You'll find Slack listed as one of the options, and it's a seamless process to connect the two platforms. Just click on the Slack integration button, and you'll be prompted to log into your Slack account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to grant permissions for Process.st to post messages to your Slack workspace. After connecting the two tools, you'll be able to trigger notifications directly in Slack whenever certain tasks or steps in your process are completed. For example, if you're managing a team and one of your team members completes a step in the process, you can set up a Slack notification so that everyone in the team is instantly updated on the progress. There are a couple of different ways you can customize these notifications. One option is to send a message to a specific Slack channel whenever a task is completed, which is great for team-wide updates. Or you can set up direct messages to individual users, ensuring that the right person is always notified about tasks they need to complete. This level of customization means you can keep everyone on the same page and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Next, let's look at how to set up triggers and actions. In Process.st, you can create tasks and assign them to different members. With the Slack integration, you can tie specific tasks to Slack notifications. For instance, when a task is marked as complete, you can set up Slack to notify the responsible person or team that the task is finished, allowing them to move forward with the next step in the workflow. Now, one of the cool features of this integration is the ability to use Slack's reaction emojis to trigger actions in Process.st. This creates an even deeper level of interactivity between your workflow and team communications. By reacting to a Slack message with a specific emoji, you can automatically trigger actions in your Process.st process. This reduces the need for manual work and helps maintain the flow of your process without extra effort from your team. Before wrapping up, remember that the real power of this integration lies in automation. Setting it up properly ensures you don't need to constantly switch between apps to check on progress or update team members. Process.st and Slack work hand in hand, saving you time and keeping everyone informed in real time. If you're looking to try out these tools for yourself, you can access them completely free from the first link below, and you'll also get exclusive bonuses to maximize your experience. It's a great way to get started without any risk. To recap, integrating Process.st with Slack helps improve communication and automate your workflows, which ultimately leads to greater efficiency for you and your team. By setting up notifications, customizing actions, and using Slack reactions, you can streamline your day-to-day operations and keep your processes running smoothly. Don't forget to check out the link for an extended free trial and start boosting your productivity today.